Hey, well, welcome to the channel. Welcome to Chiang Mai and all that good stuff. It's Wednesday about, I guess probably about 12 o'clock. I just got back from the hospital firming up my surgery information, and looks like I'm going to go in about the 25th and let them probe and prod my knee and take care of what the problem was. Fortunately, I've got insurance, and this is something I'll talk to y'all about. If you come here or you live here or whatever and you have insurance, don't necessarily think that the hospital's gonna take you in and treat you just because you've got insurance. What I'm running into, at first they wanted 100% cash up front as a deposit, and I basically told them to shove it. I'm not gonna do that. So now what they're going to do is they're going to file it with the insurance company, get the insurance's approval, and then come up with a more realistic figure. And you know, the whole surgery is going to be about 250,000 baht, and the way my insurance works, I pay 20,000 baht deductible, and then they pay 80% of the remaining balance. So, you know, it's going to be some out-of-pocket expenses, but it's not going to be, you know, 240 or 250,000 baht. And that's just an estimate. You know how these places go. It usually ends up being more than that. But that's just one of the things that you run into here. And my insurance is not, it's not out of country. My insurance is Aetna of Thailand. And, you know, so I know if your insurance is outside the country, they definitely make you pay quite a bit up front. But anyway, I'm going to stop talking about that, and we're going to get walking. We're at the southeast corner of the moat in that little corner, and I'm going to walk up towards Chiang Mai Gate. I'm going to shut it off between now and then, but when I get up there, I'll turn it back on. There's quite a bit of activity up there. The COVID situation is pretty much the same. Country-wise, I think they had 13,000 yesterday, which is a drop. Here in Chiang Mai, I think it was about 96. We've got a cluster up in the Mae Hong Son that's driving the numbers up. But anyway, this is where we're at, and we're gonna walk up to Chiang Mai Gate, and I'll turn it back on. I think what I'll do is I'll start on this street and walk down the back way and come in through the back way. Little kitty over there. There's quite a few people out moving around today. Frank taking out his trash. Sawasdee krap. You're on YouTube.
Hello?
Yeah, you will be tonight. Oh, but anyway, that's pretty much the gist of the surgery thing. I'm kind of skeptical. This is the first time I've ever had anybody ever cut on me, and I've looked at the recovery on it, and it doesn't look that bad. But we're going to play it by ear. I'm going to wait and see after they submit it to my insurance company and see how much I'm going to have to put down. I don't mind putting, you know, a chunk of change down, but I'm not going to pay them all up front. Trailhead Bike Tour Cafe. But we're going to hang a left here and come around the backside. This is a neat little alley here. All kinds of stuff on it. That looks like an interesting place. Sawasdee krap. Now, you know, I've been putting pictures in at the end of the videos, and today on this video, I'm going to use some pictures that I took in Vietnam, in Hanoi. We were up there, gosh, it was probably about a year and a half ago, and then stayed up in the French Quarter. And I've still got plenty of pictures of Thailand to put up, but I'll throw those in because I kind of like those pictures. And I'll probably keep the walk a little bit short today. My knee's not really bothering me that bad. It's just, it seems that if I twist it, it gets a little painful. But just as far as walking, I just, you know, that's nothing really drastic. Stairs are a pain in the ass. Well, I don't see our little bun seller out. Swadee Kap. And get coffee and a haircut. So we're gonna walk this way. Keep my eyes out so I don't get run over. There used to be a guy that would park his bicycle and he had lovebirds that would sit on the dash. I've not seen him in a while. This place is usually really, really busy in the morning, and not so much in the afternoons. And then again at night it'll get real busy. They'll set all their food stalls up right there in the place right there where they have the cart set. I guess you'd call it a little courtyard or something. But and then they're usually vegetable sellers out here by the street in the morning. Busy little place. Pigeons over there eating the breakfast. Little fish. My guess is they'll turn those fish loose in the moat. Swadee Kap. Passion fruit. No, dragon fruit. I got that wrong on one of the other videos and somebody corrected me. Lucky lottery day. Enjoying our noodles. think we might take a right down here. I'm not sure if I walk down here or not. Somehow or another, it'll bring me back where I started. Somewhere, fresh fruit juice, 100%. But anyway, getting back to the hospital and insurance thing, it's a mess. And they're hard. It's hard to deal with them. Most of the places have people that speak English. And here's one of those food pantries where people leave stuff for people, and whoever gets hungry comes by and gets it. I think we will make a right here and another sharp right. Oop, I'm gonna get run over. He didn't look real happy. Crazy Farang with a camera walking around the streets. Yeah, we'll walk down this way. This looks beautiful. But the thing is to ask a lot of questions. Now, my particular policy is inpatient only, and it covers 600,000 baht, which doesn't seem like a lot, at 80%. And I think I pay about 19,000 baht a year for it, which is not unreasonable. But most of the stuff that I have done is at the government hospital, which I just pay right out of pocket. And in thinking, had I known I was going to need surgery, I probably would have went to the local Hangdong hospital and gone through the orthopedic surgeon there and just had it done through the government hospital. It would have been a lot cheaper. My guess is probably around 100,000. But my insurance, I don't know if they'd cover it or not. I need to check with them and see if they'll cover me in a government hospital. That's cool. Cat just chilled out. I think we walked this the other day. Sawasdee krap. Yeah, but I think we came in that way, if I'm not mistaken. I don't know where that, oh, that'll take me back into the market. Busy little place. Grapefruit. I don't know what that is. Looks like everybody lives back in there. Huh. Sawasdee krap. And we're back out on the main road again. So I think I will turn right. I'm going to close this out here. I'm not going to walk too much today. And stick around, look at the pictures, and I hope you enjoy them. Leave me some comments, and remember, subscribe to the channel and click like and talk to me, and we'll go from there. But anyway, we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.